In this video, we're going to learn a little bit more about alert boxes. So we are now familiar with the simple alert message using the window.alert method. So for example, welcome to our page can be shown in an alert message when the page loads. Okay. Now we will see that there are other examples of using alert boxes. So for instance, we can set a variable to a boolean based on whether the user confirms something or not. So let's say we want to set a variable called accept cookies. So accept cookies. And basically, we want to set this to true if the user accepts cookies, and to false if they don't. So the way we're going to do that is by setting this to a window.confirm. Okay, and basically what's going to happen is the message we're going to write here is going to appear on the screen, and then the user will confirm whether they want to accept cookies or not. So let's try something here. So please confirm you accept cookies. Okay, and let's have an alert message right after that to show what the value of accept cookies is. Okay, so let's see. So now you can see the message, and it's prompting us or it's asking us to confirm we accept cookies. So if we say OK, so the value of accept cookies is going to be true. So let's reload the page now, and rather than accepting, we're going to click cancel, and now the value is false. Okay, so we can do something here. So rather than having a window alerts right after that, we can use conditions and say if accept cookies is equal to true, then send an alert message saying you confirmed you accept cookies. Okay, and else we send an alert message saying you do not accept cookies. And let's try this. So let's reload the page. So if we say OK, so the message is going to be you confirm you accept cookies, and if we refresh and we don't accept. Okay, so let's refresh the page, click cancel. Okay, so we forgot something here. So we use an equal sign. We are setting the value of accept cookies to true. The comparison is not done like that. We need two equal signs, okay, to compare. So please confirm you accept cookies. If we say OK, we get this message because the value is going to be true. And this time, if we don't accept, you do not accept cookies. Okay. All right. So now we're going to see another type of alert boxes. We're going to see alert boxes that will require the user to input some input there. So it could be some text, could be a number, whatever. Okay. So the syntax is pretty easy. So we are declaring a variable. So let's say our variable is going to be visitor. Okay. And basically we're going to store in this variable whatever the user is going to input in our message. Okay, so the function we need to use here is prompt, and then we write the message that we want to show in the alerts box. So please enter your name. Okay, so let's see what we get. So now please enter your name, and whatever we put there is going to be actually stored in this variable. All right. So now let's see. Let's send another alert message right after that using this this variable. So he's going to say hi, and you're going to add to that our variable, so visitor, and you can say we wish you a nice experience on our page, and don't forget to like us on Facebook. Okay. Okay, so let's try now. And now you can see that we are using the value of visitor in the alert message. If you want to make sure that the name is shown in capital letters, we can just use the to uppercase method. Okay. Now we can see. Okay. So this is not the best code we can use, because if the user doesn't write anything in the prompt message, this is going to be blank. So there are other ways actually of checking whether they have input something there and validates their inputs. But for now, we're going to keep it simple as we are only learning how alert boxes work. Okay.